Hiyo, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the Peugeot that won't start. It's a friend of mine's car, so we're going to see if we can get it going for him. Sounds like a flat battery, this does. Let's go and check it out. The terminals look clean and there's green in the glass eye. We're going to check the battery with a multimeter set at 20 volts, and I'd expect to see in between 12.4 and 12.8. Just because there is a good reading, it doesn't mean the battery's any good. We still have to do further tests. Here I'm testing the ground, so I'm putting a red wire on the live of the battery and the black wire on a bare bit of metal on the body. It should give the true reading the same as the battery's reading. Trying different locations also. I'm trying where the earth straps are or earth leads are going to different locations. One was to the side of the battery and this one's on top of the box. The reading seemed to be consistent with the battery, so I'm just going to try another little tester here. A little cheap tester this is, but very handy to have. And again, it's showing us full battery. When you turn the key of the car, the amps shouldn't drop below 10 volts. If it does, you've got an amp problem with the battery cranking amps. In this case, we haven't got that, so everything is pointing towards the starter motor. We're going to try a jump start here as a final test, and hopefully it'll fire. If it doesn't, again, it's going to start pointing at the starter motor. Now we're ruling out an earth here, bad earth, and a bad relay, because there is power getting into the starter motor. You can hear the clicking. I left the van running here for around 10 minutes before I tried starting the Peugeot. The engine noise is my van running by the side of the car. Seem to have found the starter motor. It's deep at the back of the engine. Access is going to look like it's very tight there, so I'm going to try and get the vehicle up as much as I can as safely as I can. I think this is our problem. Now I think a good clean up of the terminals might do the job here. I know from past experience I've done that and it's worked. Whether it's going to work on this case I don't know. If not, it's a new starter motor. There's two 13mm bolts, or nuts should I say, and the ignition cable connected to the solenoid. I took these off, cleaned up the terminals quite good, and set them back down to see if it'd start the car. Come on then, Frankie, start you bloody good car. This might be a quick fix, but it still could be the starter motor, and only time will tell. I think we're going to have to use it for a few days, and then if it starts happening again, then it's a starter motor out. If not, happy days.